नहीं नहीं, पहले मैं पूछूंगा. If Zopper threw a party, what would be the dress code like?
भाई इतने सालों से साथ में काम कर रहे हैं तो कुछ तो हमारी फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री नजर आनी चाहिए.
ये भी हो गया, चलो भाई.
अमेजिंग, सुपर.
What do you think will be the latest trend that will change the insurance world?
Latest trend? You mean a meme-worthy marketing campaign? I think if we go for pet insurance for the office dogs, because a lot of people are getting office dogs these
That will
days.
be interesting.
I
Yeah.
think that should be interesting. Yeah. And I think, a lot of these chairs are getting broken and stolen. People are looking for the most comfortable chair. I don't know if they want insurance for that.
For sure, interesting.
Yeah.
And what do you think about broken resolution insurance, specifically for gym goers and January resolution?
I think you are targeting me with that. I would be the first one to buy that insurance. I can't even count how much money I've spent in buying gym membership and then not going even after a week. Yeah.
What if we have an insurance for Monday blues?
Monday blues? The entire country will line up to buy the insurance. I think given the Delhi winters, why don't you launch a geyser on insurance? I left the geyser on, I forgot to switch it off. And my electricity bill went to the roof. Man, if you give me an insurance for that, I am sure that it's gonna fly off the shelves like anything.
And what about group chat insurance? It happens with me a lot. A lot of typos that I do.
I can bet. I think that must be a great insurance too. Talking about these group calls and chats, I think embarrassing video call moments.
Yes, sir,
You know,
for sure.
people leave their videos on and godforsaken things they do on the videos. Yeah.
हम कोई सीरियस बातें नहीं करेंगे क्या?
ये जरूर करेंगे. चलो, there is a question for you. We just got funded. The news is out. What else like we do now with the new funding? New office or more exotic coffee machine? Or what else do you want to do?
Well, Mayank, we have been at it for a long time. It's been 14 years. So I think what we can do is we should dream bigger and be the largest insurtech player globally. I think that should be the dream that we should aim for.
Of course, I couldn't agree more with you. And I think that's what our team does the best. Of course, other than these funny videos, though I love them.
But I think this is the team which has taken us here so far. And I think this is the team which will take us to further heights as well.
I agree. Looking forward to the 2025. So, Surjendu, we've been talking about all these exotic ideas, but talking about future, do you think we will also be insuring space travel before Elon Musk does it?
That's interesting. I was also thinking of creating the first ever policy for the drone pizza delivery disasters.
Oh, just pizza. You won't stop at it. Given the tech person you are, I thought you would create an insurance for AI-powered life coaches, motivation speakers who give questionable advice. And a lot of people are coming in the fold of these AI-powered coaches.
That's definitely interesting.
Amazing. I look forward to that. So tell me something about the blooming days of Zopper.
Well, in addition to blooming, we were roaring like tigers.
Oh, wow.
And we gave nirvana to a lot of people.
That must have been amazing. And how about creating the new Zopper since 2019?
So Zopper is basically a melting pot of a lot of very interesting, innovative insurance ideas. And we have really mesmerized that particular process very well.
Amazing. I see venturing into a lot of new avenues in the coming years. What do you think about the future? आपकी क्या धारणा है future के बारे में?
धारणाएं तो बहुत हैं. पहले हमने निर्वाणा दिलाया, अब हम एलिवेट होंगे.
अरे वाह, we are on the path of elevation.
Absolutely.
Amazing. Superb. Okay, Surjendu, I have some questions from the team coming your way. The first one is, if Zopper was an animal, what would it be and why?
We should be tiger because we are fearless.
Oh, that's interesting.
I have one for you.
Okay.
If Zopper could have a mascot, would it be ninja, robot, or something totally unexpected?
I think in this AI-powered world, it must be some AI-powered robot or a ninja. And I think I would want to call that Zoe.
Oh, good name, by the way.
Yeah, Zopper, Zoe go very well hand in hand. Let me ask you my next question. If Zopper were a movie genre, would it be a thriller, rom-com, or an action-packed blockbuster?
I think it's hands down action-packed blockbuster for sure.
Yeah, I think I couldn't agree more. And Houseful, I would say the box office would blow apart.
Absolutely. One more for you.
Okay.
What's the right adjective for describing Zopper from your lens?
I think unbeatable. We've been unbeatable all this while.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That would be very apt.
Okay, let me go next. If Zopper had a theme song, which genre would it be?
So I remember the song by Queen called Rock You.
Oh, We Will Rock You?
Yes.
Amazing. I think anybody who comes to that concert is going to get blown away.
And finally, this is my last question.
Okay.
If Zopper threw a party, what would be the dress code like?
Oh, dress code for the party?
Yes.
No, I'm very bad at it. I don't care what you wear as long as it is in my brand colors, blue and orange.
Amazing.
Yeah. Should we call it a day or continue doing such stupid bloopers?
Let's do both. You can't innovate on empty stomach. कुछ खाना खा लेते हैं.
Oh, I agree with you. Let's order some.
Sure.